BJP student wing, the ABVP, has swept the Delhi University Students' Union polls, bagging all 4 seats for the first time in 18 years. And tracking that story for us is my colleague Sonal Mehrotra, who now joins us from the Delhi University. Sonal, needless to say, this is a time for the ABVP to celebrate a massive victory. What exactly are they attributing it to?
Well, it is indeed a knockout victory for ABVP here in Delhi University. And, you know, after having covered the last few days of Delhi University campaigning and today here, Neha, one can tell you student body elections are serious business here in the campus. The emotions and the money involved, the kind of resources involved are as high, if not any less, when it came to Delhi Assembly polls as well. And a lot of leaders here, a lot of people coming out in victory of these are going to be the future leaders of various parties, and the affiliations of their parties might lead them to different places. Something which all the leaders here know, and thus it's become such a serious business. Now, one thing which has come out very clearly out of the results is that this time around, differently, the results, the voting has been taken on not on candidate basis but on the party basis. That's what a lot of people here are saying. That this time around, voting did not take place on the name of the candidate, but in name of the organization they were representing. ABVP went on to win all the 4 seats of the Student Council, precisely which they say because of the FYUP, the protest that they've been holding for quite some time now, something which also led them to win 3 seats last time around, with only 1 going to NSUI. Also, the president has won with a very slight margin. The vice president, joint secretary and secretary won with huge margins here. The second in place has been NSUI and third has been ISA. So interesting trends to see this time around. Is it because of the spotless victory of the Bharatiya Janata Party that we saw in the general elections? A little too early to say, but the student body would like to believe it is because of their hard work and their work alone inside the campus. Listen into what the newly elected secretary and the president of DUSU had to say. Whom do you give the credit for this victory? It's a sweeping victory for ABVP.
एबीवीपी के हर एक कार्यकर्ता और पूरा छात्र समाज तो दिल्ली विश्वविद्यालय में हमारे साथ जुड़ा और वो लगा, उन सबकी जीत है।
Many people are saying कि इस समय जो मोदी लहर की बात हो रही थी, जिसकी वजह से पूरे देश में हमने देखा इलेक्शंस का क्या हुआ, क्या उसका भी एक पार्ट रहा है इसमें?
पार्ट रहा है, पर सबसे पहले पार्ट रहा है जो 4 साल के ग्रेजुएशन को लेके विद्यार्थी परिषद पूरे साल भर एक्टिव रही और स्टूडेंट को पता है कि कौन सी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन उनके लिए लड़ रही है और कौन सी नहीं। हम पिछले साल पूरे साल भर लड़े, चाहे वो सड़क से लेके संसद तक की लड़ाई हो। स्टूडेंट समझ रहा है कि जो लड़ेगा हमारे लिए खड़ा होगा, हम उसको सपोर्ट करेंगे और ये हुआ।
What will be the major agendas now? चारों पैनल अब आपके हैं, ABVP ने चारों एक तरह से स्वीप कर लिया है, तो अभी एजेंडा पर क्या रहेगा? प्राइमरी
नए कॉलेजेस का हमारा एजेंडा रहेगा। जो मॉर्निंग कॉलेजेस है उनको इवनिंग शिफ्ट करी जाए।
The only woman candidate here and also the only female on the panel. Excited?
Very much.
Extremely. Is it also because all the panels have gone to ABVP? Will that have an impact now in decision making as well?
Definitely, whatever we have done, all right. And we stand for the students. They have supported us like we did last year. Like they supported us last year. This year they were sure whom to support and they knew it. So that's why they made us stand here.